Okay, let us continue. A ratio is usually expressed in the standard form of x to y. Okay, there's two dots there. Okay, so as an example, 1 to 250 or 1 to 1000, etc. So as an example, if you are asked what is the meaning of 1 to 250 drug solution, it means that there's 1 gram of drug in 250 ml of solution. If 10 ml represent 1/8 of a product, how much is 1/2? So 1/8 times A is equal to 10. So A represent the product. Okay. So A should be 80 ml. So thus, if 1/2, it should be 40 ml. Okay. If 2 tablets contain 250 mg of drug Y, how many tablets would contain 1125 mg? So if you see here, 2 tabs over x tab will equal to 250 over 1125, x equal to 9 tablet. So let me show you. Okay, so if we are going to make this calculation, so for question number 2, if 10 ml represent 1/8 of a product, okay, a product, so if how much is 1/2 of the product? Okay, so 1/8 times A is the product, equal to 80 ml. So equal to 10 ml. Okay, equal to 10 ml. So A should be 80 ml. So if we want to know 1/2 of 80 ml, it should be 40 ml. So this is how we answer question number 2. Okay, so for the question number 3, if 2 tablets contain 250 mg of drug Y, okay, how many tablets would contain 1125 mg of drug Y? So 2 tab. So how should we answer this? 2 tablets over x tablets equals to 250 mg over 1125 mg. So x will equal to 9 mg. So another way of answering this question is you can do the ratio like this. 2 tablets, 2 tablets equals to 2 tablet equal to 250 mg. So if you have 1125 mg, how many tablets would you have? So it should be 1125 mg times 2 tablets divided by 250 mg. So it should be, this will times, and then you divide with this. So it should be, so you can take your calculator and you can do 1125 times 2 divided by 250. So it should be 9 tablets. Okay, this is a second way on how to calculate the question. Okay. Proportion. Proportion is also an expression to show the equality of two ratios. And the numbers again usually refer to weight, refer to gram or ml. So if we have 5 tablespoons contain 75 ml of liquid, how many ml is available in 87 tablespoons? It's the same as what we discussed just now. So basically, proportion and ratios are related. Okay, you can use proportion to answer the question on ratios. Okay, so if you are not sure about this, so let me show you. Okay, so if you have if 5 tablespoons, if 5 tablespoons contain 75 ml of liquid, so if you have 87 tablespoons, it should be 87 times 75 ml divided by 5. So it will be 1305 ml. Or you can use the other way that I show you just now. 5 tablespoons uh, 87 tablespoons. Okay, so this should be 75 ml. How many ml? Okay, so you would bring this up, right? So 75 ml times 87 tablespoons divided by 5. Okay, so that's the two methods that you can use.